To expand somewhat on the source channel mapping function, I'd like to show a new example. And to do this, I'll remove the clips we placed in the timeline in the last lesson. And I have prepared this clip for us to place in our project. This clip was recorded on a camera that recorded 4 audio tracks. Those are, in addition to the standard stereo track, tracks 1 and 2, also a second stereo track, tracks 3 and 4. We can see that if a clip is present in the preview window that contains extra audio tracks, then in this column here we see that Edius has presented us with the extra destination tracks we need. Because of this, I can now decide, for example, that studio tracks 3 and 4 should go to audio track 3A in the timeline, and by using the overwrite to timeline function, we can see that indeed my extra audio tracks are assigned to the desired track in Edius. This is also taken into consideration when inserting clips via drag and drop. If I drag our clip to track 1VA, then we can see that the channel mapping does indeed assign tracks 3 and 4 to track 3A. If I don't wish to use these extra audio tracks, then of course I can deactivate the source mapping for those tracks. And then, when I place the clip as before, the audio tracks 3 and 4 are not placed into the timeline, but just audio tracks 1 and 2. So that's a small example of how Edius can work with extra audio tracks.